What's up, everybody? Jesse here from Real Estate Connect, back with another video. In this video, I want to go over the Realtor hamster wheel, the reality of real estate prospecting. And this topic is a fun topic for me to talk about because it has a lot to do with realtors running into an issue that they don't really see in the beginning when they're starting to do their prospecting, or you may eventually realize that this becomes an issue in your business as you become busier and start working with clients and realize that you have less time to prospect. So this has everything to do with you servicing clients and being able to bring in new business, right? And what ends up happening is that you find yourself with little time to prospect and little time to connect with new people as long as you are doing business and becoming busy. And that's the whole goal, right? Is to become busy, start working with clients and help them find their home, help them sell their home. And I just want to make something clear, first of all, that there is nothing wrong with traditional and free prospecting methods. In fact, I actually suggest everyone do them when they have the time to do so. Some examples are cold calling, door knocking, working with your sphere, or even creating content and posting it to grow your social media channels. And I suggest doing this consistently. That's the way it's most effective. But just to touch on some of the older methods, maybe outside of social media, is that there is often a misconception that some of these old methods do not work, and that is far from the truth. The reality is that if you have this mindset now, it's because you were most likely influenced by an outside factor, most likely some marketing companies marketing to you about pain points that have to do with cold calling because you may not want to do it, or maybe you have a fear of doing door knocking, or other realtors may have influenced you in a way and told you that this is not the way of doing business. But the truth is that they just have the wrong mindset about it as well. They may have done business another way by just talking to their sphere and getting referrals, and maybe that's why they feel that way. But these old methods do work. And just to touch on creating content for social media, I highly suggest everyone does that because that's a free way of bringing leads to you, not you reaching out to leads, which is known as outbound marketing. And having people come to you and request information about your services is inbound. It's inbound marketing, it's inbound leads. And usually when somebody's coming to you because they're in need of a service, you have a much more of an authoritative frame and position to these people, and it's a lot easier to walk them through the sale and get them the service that they are looking for. So I definitely suggest doing that as far as free prospecting methods. But any prospecting method is essential to growing your business, especially if it's one that you are going to stay consistent with. So I just want to point that out. However, there comes a point for any business owner to decide where their time is most well spent within their business. For example, let's say you've been cold calling and working your sphere for about a year now. You've built up a good sized database of potential people who are looking to buy or sell, right? Now things start to work as intended and you are working with clients and you're starting to close transactions. While you are out showing homes or on listing appointments, something happens that may not occur to everybody. You stop prospecting. So back on the hamster wheel we go. Working with clients, helping them make multiple offers in this market can have you juggling a lot all at once, especially when you still need to make time for prospecting. So even when you attract leads to you, if you're not able to call these leads within the first few minutes, you can actually lose out on potential opportunities. So some people will tell me like, oh, I get referrals from clients. This is how I'm growing my business. And referrals are essential to bring in revenue for any business. It's a key thing to have in your business, and referrals are great. However, referrals are not predictable or a scalable way of bringing in new business. You are ultimately still relying on having to spend time to prospect to grow your business. So what happens when you have no more time? When you stop prospecting, your business stops growing. Each month is unpredictable at this point, and this is just you doing what makes sense for your business, which is servicing clients and trying to bring in new business when you can. So what if you had a system that was in place turning the wheel for you? While you are busy servicing your clients, leads can be attracted to you and request more information about your services. But even then, you are still stuck on the hamster wheel of needing to be in front of your phone at all times to call and text all the leads that are requesting information about something you have to offer. So that's where Real Estate Connect Consulting helps you get off the prospecting hamster wheel through delegation. So I like this little image of someone controlling or telling somebody what to do on the hamster wheel, and you're outside of that hamster wheel and you're able to go and service clients. So you can rest easy knowing you have new leads coming to you every day without needing to stop everything you are doing in order to find out if they are qualified, serious about buying or selling, and how soon they are looking to do so. You can have peace of mind knowing your pipeline grows even while you sleep. So our service, Real Estate Connect Consulting, helps you get off the prospecting hamster wheel by not only delegating lead generation, but the follow-up and qualifying aspects, so you're only connected with serious buyers or sellers who are ready to work with you in a near future timeframe. If you are a busy agent with little time to prospect and are looking to scale your business, I invite you to set up a time to chat with myself or a member of our team to figure out what is the best fit to help you double your deal volume in the next 60 days for you or your team. I look forward to chatting with you, and there should be a link below this video. And if you like this video and you got any value out of it, like the video and subscribe to the channel. I will be posting new content a lot more often, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.